Hey decor lovers, let's get real about Goopatch flowers, those viral faux blooms all over your social feed. Are they actually as stunning in real life as they look online, or is it just clever marketing hype? I've dug into the latest reviews from 2026, and here's the honest scoop. Let's start with the good stuff. Most customers say Goopatch flowers really do pop with color. The UV resistance is a big win. These things stay bright for months, even in direct sunlight. And here's a fun fact. From the street or your porch, people often mistake them for real flowers. No watering, no replacing every season, just set and forget. But now, the not-so-glamorous side. One of the biggest gripes? Size. The website ads show these lush, full arrangements, but when the package lands, the flowers can look tiny and a bit sparse. Turns out, to get that gorgeous, overflowing bouquet, you might need 3 to 5 bundles, not just the one they show in the pictures. Material-wise, they're a mix of silk and plastic. Most users say they hold up to rain and snow, so that's a plus. But if you're picky about texture, they might feel a bit more plastic than real touch. Shipping is another headache, especially if you're ordering internationally. Some folks have waited weeks, and customer support isn't winning any awards for quick replies or easy refunds. So, is Goopatch legit? Technically, yes. But it has that fast fashion, mass-produced vibe. My tip? Check Amazon or Etsy for similar real touch flowers and always read the reviews before you buy. And if you go for Goopatch, double your order to get that full Instagram-worthy look. So, hype or hero?